Today I'm sharing 2 dainty tea sandwich recipes that are perfect for an afternoon tea. And now, after we've already made the lemon blueberry scones for tea time in my last video, we are going to start with Rosenda's famous chicken salad sandwiches. This is a very easy recipe. If you don't have time to cook chicken, you can use a can of chicken breast because it is very fast and easy. And if you just have a few ingredients, you can put this together. So it's very tasty. I like to add this ranch dressing, but you could change it and add whatever you like. Some people like adding mayonnaise, and that's fine. And then I also add some mustard, a little bit of yellow, and a little bit of Dijon. You spin it up together with that celery. It's got a good crunch, and the cranberries. And then I just spread it on with some arugula, and it makes a great tea sandwich. It's really filling, and it's very simple, like I said, so it goes well with any type of tea actually. And then the next sandwich that we're going to make, that is also in my afternoon tea video that's very popular on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it for you, is the famous cucumber tea sandwich. And this is one of my favorites. I think when I went to a tea parlor with my grandma, my mom, many years ago, I fell in love with this. So I love to make this new recipe. Always an old recipe made new. So I just add cream cheese and then a little seasoning, salt, a little onion powder or garlic powder, whatever suits your fancy, and some lemon, a little splash of lemon. And of course, my secret ingredient is dill. I always joke with my daughter and say my secret ingredient, make it a little fun with the kids. So this is it. I spread the cream cheese on the bread. I did learn a little tip that if you spread cold butter or butter on the bread, it does hold the sandwich a little bit better. And then you just add the cucumbers. I like to make it a little pretty after I spread it, and then I cut it in fours and cut the crust off, so it's just a really nice petite sandwich and really pretty. And the best bread really is white bread, even though it's not healthy for you, I know, but it does make the best and perfect tea sandwich. So as you get creative with your tea sandwiches, I hope this helped you, along with some creative ways that you can make easy tea sandwiches. It doesn't have to be hard. And so again, if you want to see how I make my lemon blueberry scones for tea time, I will link that and you can watch that video next. Thank you for watching my Little Pink Casa channel, and I will see you again in my next video.